How's it, guys? So basically, let me put my phone here so I don't get distracted. This is the camera that I've been using this whole time, Insta360. This is the camera I use to take all the videos that I've been taking. This is a separate mount that I bought, and then this is the Insta360 invisible stick. So normally I'll mount this here and then it stays, and then I take this stick, and then what I'll do is I'll open it up, so then this stick will sit like this, and then I take the camera and then I actually screw it in like this. So now the camera, as I'm riding, it's actually like that, and then I take the invisible stick and screw it into the mount, and then as I do that, you can easily mount it, something like that. So that's how it looks as I'm riding. Basically, it's the mount, it's the invisible stick, and then that's the camera. So that camera will be able to take the bike angle as I'm riding, as if it's following me. So remember in the other video I said to the guys, it's as if it's following me like this. So this is the angle that it can always take. But at the same time, because, sorry, I forgot to show you guys, there's a lens this side and then there's another lens this side, so it's always recording 360. The camera can record this side, it can record at the back, it can record at the top, it's always recording. So that's the fun thing about this Insta360. This is just a protector because I once scratched my lens and then my camera basically was not working until the guys gave me a free camera. So that's the secret, guys. This is all I use for recording the 360 views. So yeah, let me know in the comments if there's anything else you want to know about this camera, and then I can show you guys.